If you're seeing the Pixlr unauthorized error 401, don't worry. This is usually a simple access issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest and safest ways to get Pixlr working again, step by step. We'll start with the easiest fix, then move into browser cleanup, extension checks, and finally a DNS refresh if the problem still isn't gone. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to sign out and sign back in. If Pixlr is showing a 401 unauthorized error, your session may have expired or the browser may have saved a bad login token, so go ahead and sign out of Pixlr completely. After that, close the editor tab or even the full browser window to make sure the session fully resets, then reopen Pixlr and sign back in with the correct account. This alone often clears the error right away. If that does not solve it, the next thing to do is clear Pixlr's site data. This is a very important step because the browser may still be storing old cookies or permissions that are causing the unauthorized message. To do this, click the padlock icon or the site controls next to the address bar while you are on the Pixlr site. Then open site settings or look for cookies and site data. From there, choose clear data. Once that's done, reload the page and try Pixlr again. This forces the site to start fresh instead of using damaged or outdated browser data. If the error is still there, you should clear all browser cache and cookies. Cached files can sometimes conflict with Pixlr's login system, especially if the website updated recently or if your session got interrupted. To do this quickly on most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. In the Clear Browsing Data window, choose All Time as the time range. Then make sure cookies and cached files are selected and clear them. After that, restart the browser and open Pixlr again. This step is one of the most effective fixes for persistent 401 errors. Another common cause is browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and even some security extensions can interfere with Pixlr's authentication process. So open your browser's extensions menu and temporarily disable anything that could block scripts, cookies, or login requests. Start with ad blockers and privacy-related extensions first, because those are the most likely to cause problems. Once they're disabled, reload Pixlr and test it again. If the site works now, you found the cause. If you still get the unauthorized error, the last step is to flush your DNS cache. Sometimes old network information can keep your browser from connecting properly to the site. On Windows, open Command Prompt and run the command ipconfig flush DNS. Make sure you type it exactly as written, then press Enter. After the DNS cache is cleared, reopen your browser and try Pixlr again. This can help fix stubborn connection or authentication issues that are tied to outdated network data. By now, one of these fixes should have resolved the Pixlr error 401. In most cases, the issue comes down to expired login data, corrupted cookies, or a browser extension blocking the site. So the best order is sign out and sign back in, clear Pixlr site data, clear browser cache and cookies, disable extensions, and then flush DNS if needed. That sequence will solve most unauthorized access problems without wasting time. If this video helped you fix Pixlr, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.